In this video, I will show how to calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So here, you have to type this formula equal sign, select, now minus sign, now select this one and divide before and press enter. Now select it and here select percentage. Now here select percent. Now similar equal sign. Select this one minus sign. Now select this value. Divide by. Press enter. Select it and percent. Now select both. Right click on it and format cells. And here select 2. Then click on OK. So here a positive percent change indicates increase and negative percent change indicates decrease. So thanks for watching, guys. This is the way you can calculate percent difference between two numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.